When I started my journey as a backend developer 7 years ago, I was fresh out of university with a degree in electrical engineering. I had zero job experience, and honestly, my academic background was far from what most tech companies were looking for. I didn't even have any sample projects to showcase from my studies. But I was determined. The first step I took to secure my first job was to work on personal projects. I realized that while job experience is crucial, having hands-on experience from building and managing your own projects is even more valuable. So even though I was just starting, I decided to take matters into my own hands. You might think that if you don't have any experience, no one would want to hire you. That's true to some extent, but it shouldn't stop you from learning and building things on your own. Nobody is going to stop you from exploring your interests and creating something meaningful. If you want to be a backend developer, start building and hosting web applications. Pick different topics that interest you, whether it's a blog, an online store, or a personal portfolio. Then add the links and details of these projects to your CV. Suddenly, you have real-world experiences to share with potential employers. The same approach applies if you're aiming to be a mobile app developer or work in other areas of programming. The beauty of being a developer is that you can start your own projects at any time. You have the freedom to create whatever you want. You might say it's tougher now compared to when I started. Sure, the landscape has changed, but the fundamental principles remain the same. The key difference is that the quality of your personal projects matters more than ever. Employers are looking for specific skills that match their needs, so it's essential to focus on quality and relevance. For example, if a company is working on an advertisement tool, they'll want someone who has similar experience. So do your homework. Research advertising tools and create a simple application that manages ads and displays statistics. It doesn't have to be complex. It just needs to demonstrate your understanding of the field and show that you can build something valuable. One of the reasons I created Codemizer.com was to have a project I could showcase on my CV, just in case I ever needed to look for a new job. Sometimes even when you're working at a company, you can't share details about the projects you're involved in. Many projects are internal, and you might not have permission to discuss them. So if you don't have your own projects to show, you might find yourself in a tough spot during interviews. In the end, remember that not having job experience isn't a dead end. It's all about how you present yourself and convince potential employers that you have the skills they need. Keep pushing yourself to learn and grow. Keep building your projects, no matter how small. Over time, you'll develop your skills and create a portfolio that can impress hiring managers. Don't be discouraged if you face setbacks. I've had my share of failures while trying to build apps and games before finally finding success with my recent project, Flowyboard.com. It's a tool for designing animated flowcharts and boards, and it's exciting to see it come to life. Every step you take on this journey is a learning opportunity. Whether you're facing challenges or celebrating small victories, they all contribute to your growth as a developer. The key is to stay motivated and keep learning. When you work on personal projects, you also gain insights into the development process, from planning and coding to testing and deploying. This experience is incredibly useful, and it helps you develop a problem-solving mindset, which is crucial in the tech industry. As you build your skills and projects, don't forget to document your journey. Share your progress on platforms like GitHub or even your own blog. This not only helps you track your growth, but also showcases your commitment to learning and improving. Finally, don't hesitate to apply for jobs even if you feel underqualified. Tailor your CV to highlight your projects and relevant skills. Many employers are willing to take a chance on someone who shows passion and willingness to learn. So keep trying and keep building. With time and effort, you'll find the right opportunity. Your journey as a developer is unique, and every experience you gain will prepare you for the next step. Remember, it's not just about what you know, but how you show it. Stay persistent and success will follow.